Hi everyone, myself Srinivas. In this video, we will discuss a topic on exclusive OR gate. Okay, this exclusive OR gate is abbreviated as XOR gate or XOR gate. Okay, here exclusive OR gate or XOR gate or XOR gate, all are same. Okay, so this is the standard logic symbol for XOR gate. So XOR gate standard logic symbol is this. So in this XOR gate there will be two or more inputs and only one output, that is y equal to a XOR B. Okay, this is an XOR symbol. A plus around plus key round one symbol, nothing but this is the XOR gate symbol, plus and circle around the plus. Okay, so this A XOR B can be written as A B bar plus A bar B, nothing but this A XOR B, or you can write it as y equal to A B bar plus A bar B. Okay, this is the expression for exclusive OR gate. Okay, so this is how we will draw circuit standard logic symbol for XOR gate. And coming to the truth table of XOR gate, when odd number of ones, then output will be 1. Okay, when even number of ones, then output will be 0. So we will see here odd number of ones means 1, 3, 5 inputs, so nothing but one is there, or 3 ones are there, 5 ones are there, then output will be 1. When even number of ones equal to 0, then output will be 0. So we will see. So here 2 ones are there, A and B. 2 ones, nothing but even number of ones, output is 0. So only 1, 0, 1, only 1 is there. So odd number of ones, then output will be high. And when 1, 0, only one odd number of ones are there, nothing but output is 1. In this case 0, 0, output will be 0. Here for this, only for this 2 input truth table for XOR gate, we can easily remember by using this small technique. When both inputs are similar, or 0, 0, output is low, 1, 1, output is low, nothing but when both inputs are similar, output is low. When inputs are dissimilar, 0, 1 and 1, 0, then output is high. Okay, for this, especially for 2 inputs, for these 2 inputs XOR gate only it will work. This logic, when both inputs are 0 or when both inputs are 1, output is low, nothing but when both inputs are equal, output is low. When both inputs are unequal, then output will be high. And this logic will be applied for only 2 input XOR gate. Okay, so when even number of, this is the main important point you have to remember, when even number of ones are there, then output will be high. When even number of, sorry, small correction, when odd number of ones are there, the output will be high. When even number of ones are there, then output will be 0. This is the explanation for exclusive OR gate. Okay, right now we will discuss realize exclusive OR gate using basic gates. Okay, these exclusive OR gate can be constructed by using basic gates. We will see right now. Okay. Coming to this exclusive OR gate can be constructed by using basic gates or universal gates. So basic gates are, as we know, basic gates are AND gate, OR gate, then NOT gate. Okay, these are basic gates. So by using these basic gates we can construct exclusive OR gate. So at the same time we can construct this exclusive OR gate by using universal gates like NAND gate and NOR gate. So NAND and NOR gates you can construct exclusive OR gate, and these gates are universal gates. So before constructing nothing but realizing exclusive OR gate, we have to know the expression of exclusive OR gate. So as we know that A XOR B is a expression. So this is the expression. We have to expand this expression. Actual expression is A B bar plus A bar B. So this is the actual expression. To this expression we have to draw circuit diagram. Okay, y equal to a b bar plus a bar b. If you draw circuit diagram for this expression, and it is nothing but by using basic gates we are drawing exclusive OR gate. So to draw that we are taking two inputs, that is A and B inputs. Okay, as we need in our complement operations are invert of A, for this we are using NOT gate. So A, this is an input, so if it comes here NOT gate, it will be A bar. Okay, so B, so this is a B input. As we need B bar, we are using NOT gate. This is a B input, so once it comes to here it will be 1, so it will be 0. A is 1 means A bar will be 0, nothing but complemented. B is 1 means B bar will be 0, nothing but complemented. So A bar, B, B bar. These are the A bar line and B bar line. As we know that expression of exclusive OR gate is A B bar plus A bar B. So we will take first one, A B bar. So A dot B bar, nothing but here dot operation means what we will do, we will use AND gate. Okay, AND gate operation will be dot operation. One input is A, another input is B bar. Okay, so we will see. So this is first AND gate, AND gate 1. So first is A dot B bar. So first A input is given, this is a dot, here it is highlighted. A input is given as one of the input of AND gate, and this is B bar. So B bar input is another input for AND gate. So output will be A dot B bar. Okay, so we achieved A dot B bar, and one more expression is A bar dot B. So this can be achieved by, we need one more AND gate. So this is AND gate 2. AND gate 2. So we need A bar dot B. So see here, this one input is given A bar. Another input of AND gate 2 is B. So output will be A bar dot B. So final we have constructed this A B bar plus A bar B. We need plus symbol. Plus symbol is nothing but OR gate is needed to get plus symbol. So we will construct will give A dot B bar as one of the input to the OR gate. So this is one input, and one more input A bar B is given as another input to the OR gate. So final output will be Y equal to this A dot B bar and A bar B plus, okay, as we are connecting these two to OR gate operation is logical addition, plus operation. So plus. So A B bar plus A bar B you will get. So R we can write it as Y equal to A XOR B also. Okay, this is how we will construct exclusive OR gate by using basic gates. Okay, hope you understand this topic. If you like my video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We will meet with next topic in next video. Okay, thank you.